we are going to use icons. So we are going to add icons into your website. First of all, what is meant by icon? Just I'll show. I'm opening my website. You can see that this is my website. We are having the icons: web development, YouTuber icon, and brand icon, and we are having like many icons are used in my website. You can see that social media icons, which is Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, Twitter, and GitHub. So where I bought these all icons, how to add these icons into your website by using CSS. So I'll explain everything. I'll explain tricks and some important websites in this tutorial. So let's watch this tutorial till the end, then you can understand how to add icons into your website. And for that, we are having an website which is called Font Awesome. This is the best website to use icons. In Font Awesome, we are having many like many icons, guys. What icon you want, just use that and just click start for free. So that means you are using free icons, right? And just you need to give the mail ID of you. I'm giving my mail ID, which is called haripriyamannetech@gmail.com, and click send kit code. And yes, you check your mail and open the Haripriya Manne tech sign in here, and you'll get confirmation link to that mail. So what you have given, you'll get the confirmation link, and just click here to confirm. And you need to set the password first of all, and just set the password what you want, and just confirm the password and continue. And you need to give the name Hari, and just Priya. It's like a, you can give what you want, and just let's go. All set, it was let's go. And you got like a some script, right? You can observe that script: src kit font awesome. You got like 89caf.js. So you need to use this code into your website. We can use, so for that you need to copy this code in body tag, inside the body tag. So just go to HTML. So inside the head tag, so inside the head tag we need to copy, right? So not body tag, inside the head tag. Just copy this one, and you are having like this. So open script, same what you are having, just copy and paste, that's it. And after copying this one, and what the icons you need to use, you can use, like you can use color icons. If you want rotated icons, you can use. So I want to use color icons. Generally I love to use color icons. So to use the color icons, we are having this one. So you need to copy this one and just paste it, guys, in head tag. So just I'll write the paragraph here. So inside the paragraph I'm specifying that icons. So yeah, so in icons, so you can give like h1 or something also if you want. Here I'm pasting, and just Control S, and just reload this one and go to up, because I given first one. And you can see icon which is called camera icon, because I used this one. So if you want this one, far camera, you'll get like this. So which one you want? Not only camera, if you want another icons, you can use. If you want like a rotated icons, you can use this one also. So you'll get like, I think second one you'll get. If you want another one, you can use just Control S and just reload, you'll get like this. So which icons you can use, if you want to use, you can, of course you can use, guys. Lot of icons are available in fontawesome.com. So no need to worry, the link I'll keep in description, and you can use these all things. And here it was saying some, it's giving like if you want some inverse also, you can use directly. So but don't forget, if you want to use, definitely we need to add the script tag, because we are taking this one, then only it applies. So if you miss it to add the script tag, I think just I'll remove and just I'll Control S and see the output now, and definitely will not get icons, because we need to add the script tag, then only we'll get these all things. Okay. So yes, these two icons. Of course, if you want like Facebook icon, you can just give the Facebook and search for that. Search for the Facebook icon, and I think you are getting the Facebook. If you want to use this one, so just click this one, click that one, you'll get like a code, and just copy that one, this one, just copy this one and paste it into your website. So just copy and just Control S, and see here, where your you got like a Facebook icon. If you want Instagram icon, you can. So I used many icons from this fontawesome.com. So if you want like this, you can use. So which icon you want to use, you can use based on your interest and thing. If you want Instagram, you can use. If you want any color, you can change the color and you can use. So this is the best website, guys. Font Awesome is the best website. But first of all, if you are using this one, you need to add the kit into your code. So that is the thing. I hope you understand. So in my website also, I used these icons from Font Awesome only. So this is the best website. I see many websites like flaticon.com. So they are available many icons in that. So I hope this is the best website to use. This is the very best website, and which icon you want you can use, and many icons are available. So what you want you can use by using this fontawesome.com. So this is all about icons to use into your website. I hope it's like a very clear explanation. So if you want like you can add style of the size also, so you can add styles and everything. It's all about up to you. And instead I shown only like font awesome icons. Like you can use the Google icons also. So we are having like inbuilt Google icons. You can use, just search about Google icons. So same guys, same what we are used. So like that only. Yes, this is the Google icons, like material.io. So this is the one website to use all the icons which was there in Google. So you can see that, and for that also we need to copy code and we need to use. So we are having a process, but I love really this font awesome, so that's why I mainly concentrated in that. But other website links also I'll definitely paste in description. Just go and follow if you really want.